Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim, powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below, mud flaps on the front and rear, as well as a slight lift kit, giving you some added height and some larger 35-inch tires. It does have a hardtop tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected, but let's take a look inside. A way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal a collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more in the middle, with a 12-volt, two USBs, or a USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 139,235 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel, so trip 1, 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then your truck info, such as your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and maintenance monitor. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on, you have your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, trailer brake controller, and on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Down below, you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders. It can be turned into 4, as well as a lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof so you can lay in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.